Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the jalousie. Look for bent louvers, seized pivot pins, or a stiff crank. Use gloves and a flashlight. Take one clear photo for reference. Once identified, apply penetrating oil to stuck pivots and operate the crank gently to free movement. Make sure to remove any loose glazing or old sealant around the frame before proceeding. This preparation prevents surprises and tells you whether you need new pins, clips, or a full crank replacement before you move to repairs. Now disassemble the affected section. Pry off end caps and support the louver while you slide it out to avoid dropping glass. Once a louver is free, remove the pivot pins. Use needle nose pliers or a punch for stubborn pins. Replace pins with identical diameter and length parts. If a crank linkage is worn, swap the linkage or entire crank assembly. After fitting new pins, lubricate pivot points and crank gears with silicone spray so movement is smooth. Reassemble in reverse order, checking alignment as you go. Finish by sealing and testing. Reinstall end caps, replace any old glazing compound, and add weather stripping where needed to stop drafts. Operate the window through 5 to 10 full open and close cycles to seat the new pins and verify smooth operation. Make sure it opens flush and seals evenly. If you notice binding or uneven gaps, stop and recheck pin alignment and crank linkage orientation. Small misalignment causes big friction. If seals leak after repair, reseat glass and reapply compound.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.